The chapters I will talk about are chapters 15 and 16. Chapter 15 is called Personalized Learning to Meet the Needs of Diverse Learners. In our context, we can find different types of learners, different styles and needs, but also we can have students with any kind of disabilities. So it's important to include them in our practices and design our coursework proper for their needs. Borgensler cited the potential of online learning to provide access to all the learners, including those students with any type of disability, but only when they possess the skills and technology to participate in the online environment. This study found that the online learning provided some challenges and benefits for those students. Some of the benefits were responsibility and time management, and some of the challenges were dichotomy of autonomy and responsibility. That's how social presence may had some implications. The social presence contains five elements: the affective association, community cohesion, instructor involvement, interaction intensity, and knowledge and experience. So this image illustrates the five key elements of the social presence models in the design of online learning environments. So as a conclusion, this chapter talks about the inclusion of every student in our context in primary, secondary, or high levels, and that is important to encourage our kids with some kind of disability to work in the same conditions as others. The chapter 16 was called Overcoming Isolation Online and talk about how unplanned online learning environments can lead to isolation and also to unproductive outcomes. Social presence is presented as a solution and some practical strategies to enhance that connectedness to our learners are design an intuitive, organized learning environment. It's important that in the activities that we promote, we can cultivate those connections, that the content is related and applied to authentic learning experiences, use a variety of tools and media, awareness, reflection, and prior experiences is also necessary to provide early and continuous feedback, designed with assessment in mind, and encourage change in small steps. Accelerate. So as a conclusion, the online learning environment should be for everyone, but it's important for the instructor and designer to keep in mind that there are necessary some prior steps in order to achieve our goals effectively. Thank you.